Okay, today we're going to do a video of a Harig 618, serial number 346EZ. Right now the table's reciprocating. This machine is equipped with dual creep feed function. You can slow the table down in either direction individually from the left or the right. Stop the table. Spindle is currently running at 3,600 RPM. Jog the axes. It's your Z-axis, your saddle. It's with the jog buttons. You can also use the hand wheel. Jog the Z-axis. Sorry, the Y. Nice and quiet. Spindle on and off. The machine can be seen under power in Harrison, New Jersey. Thank you for watching.